Well, okay, now I can see you. Good. Well, okay, the first topic that I actually chose for you is family. Okay, and my first question for you, how many people are there in your immediate family?
Can you repeat the questions again?
Sure. How many? Okay, let me type it here. Well, if I can. Like that. Okay. How many people are there in your immediate family? Immediate family, like your close family, okay? That is mom, dad, and your maybe sometimes grandparents if they live with you. So immediate family.
Hmm, there's actually six people in my family right now, and there's my parents, my brother, my grandmother, and me myself.
Okay, very good. Me, myself, of course, you don't need just me is enough. Very good. So the answer was good. There are six people. There are six people in my family. There's my, and then you repeat it again. There's my parents. Okay, but you don't need actually. So let's see. For band seven, do you remember I told you we have different versions actually? So right now, you can answer this way. Right now, there's six members. So six people, you can say right now, there are six members. Okay, in my family, my parents, my brother, my grandmother, and me. Me, myself, no, just me. Okay, so actually, why I use right now. This is really good because this way you can place your answer in time. So what's really good one? Well, and if I want to improve it, now if I want to boost it and maybe appropriate for band nine, I have another. Instead of saying right now, I can say currently. So currently, okay? This is more formal, but it's okay. This is part one, so you don't need to use really formal language. It's okay. My family consists of. So the verb that you need here is consist of. My family consists of, for example, six members. Okay? You can also say six people, but six members is better, more natural, including. So, including my mom, my dad, my brother, and of course, then here, if you want, you can say myself, but not me, myself, just myself. So, including my parents, my brother, my grandma, and myself. And myself. So, me or myself, not both. Okay? Well, so this is about immediate family. And now tell me about extended family. How many people are there in your extended family? Extended family, that's large one, including cousin maybe. Okay, if you have a big one, if no.
I think currently it's consists of 8 people, including my parents live in our neighborhood, just nearby our home.
So very good. Okay, just nearby or nearby actually is a good word. So I like it. So let's see. Okay, what's of course something is wrong here, but what it is? I think currently it consists. So maybe a little. a
Is
natural. So let's
consists
see.
of.
Yeah, of course, consists of is perfect. So you could use it. It's good. I think it currently consists of 8 people. Okay. So you said I think it's currently or currently I didn't catch that part. If you said I think currently it's okay. But if you said I think it's currently, so which one? I don't remember. I think if you want to use currently, I think currently it consists of. Okay, 8 people, including my parents and my grandparents who live near our house. It's okay, near, but nearby our house, no. Near our house is okay. Okay, now, let's see. It's good actually, but not really good. For band 7, if I were you, I would say at the moment or currently, it's okay, both of them. My family, my extended, so here I have extended family. My extended family consists of 8 members or 8 people, and that's perfect when once, for example, uh, as an examiner, I ask you 2 questions related to immediate and extended family. One, the first time you use people. The second time you use member. Why? You avoid repeating the same word. It shows your vocabulary range. So it's like I have a good enough vocabulary range. So it's good to use member, people, both of them. Okay, that includes my parents. So you can say consists of 8 people. That includes my grandparents who live near our home. Okay, you can also add in the same neighborhood. Because they live nearby, so actually they are in the same neighborhood. So you can add this one. This is clear. The structure is better, appropriate for band 7. But again, currently perfect for band 9. So at the moment, band 7, currently band 9. Both are similar, they're the same meaning, but the second one is more advanced. My family consists of 8 people, including my grandparents, my aunt who live. Okay, I want to give you another phrase. You want to say near, but in advanced way. Okay, you can say who live just a short walk away. Who live just a short walk away in the same neighborhood. This one is better, more advanced. Okay? So my grandparents, and that's it. Well, okay. Let's see another question. Just let me check the questions. Okay. Well, why I have, why this is about education. I think it should be about, just give me a moment, family. Okay. And how much time to spend with your family?
Um, it's probably about just about maybe just in our meals. Uh, we we always gather together and in our meals like at the morning noon and evening we have having meals together. So
Well,
this
good. Good one. Okay. Well, first it's morning and this is in the morning. Okay, so let's see. We need to correct it. So the problem is the preposition and of course grammar. So let's see. My family. My family. Okay. Usually, okay, now we have get together. Okay, you can use it as a noun phrase or as a verb. So you can have a get together. This is noun phrase. Or get together as a verb. So we usually get together, okay, at meal time. Meal time. For example, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, okay? And we eat as a group. You can say we get together, we eat as a group, okay? And it's sometimes something we try to maybe do every day if you want to emphasize. It's something we try to do every day. So this is a good one, good structure and clear. And if you want to make it a little more advanced, okay, we can say, make it a point. I want to give you a good idiomatic phrase. Make it a point. It's not only just, for this topic. You can use it for different in different contexts for different topics, okay? So make it a point to be sure. To make sure to do something. For example, I make it a point to do exercise every day. So actually, when you make sure to do something, you say make it a point. This is really good one, and you can use it to actually make your answer more advanced. So we make it a point to what? Now I need a verb. To gather as a family. Gather as a family every meal or for every meal. So if you want to use a preposition for it, you can use for. If no, it's okay. And now, if you want to add meals, whether breakfast, lunch, or dinner, whether. Then you can say sharing meals. So I want to add another. Okay, let me see. Sharing meals. Okay, we have it here. Sharing meals together is important or is an important part of our daily routine. So you can say sharing meals together is an important part of our daily routine. This one is better. Okay? As you can see, there is no difficult or maybe challenging word or phrase, just adding one or two. Let me explain something that is really important because there is a misunderstanding about IELTS speaking. Most of candidate and student think because it's IELTS, let's use idioms as much as you know, as much as you can to show that I know. Definitely wrong. So it's like if you want to use idiom, just normal. One is okay, two is okay. Why you need to, if you, because overuse of slangs, first, slangs are not really appropriate, especially for part two and part three. But if you want to use overuse of idioms, it's not good. Just if you want to use one, adding one or more, and that's it. You can easily look at this. Do you find it difficult, this answer? Make it a point together. Do you find it difficult?
No,
This is a band nine answer. Band nine. So it's
no,
really, yeah, of course. It's normal structure, just clear. Clear, native like. Okay. Well, and the next question. Uh, Tell me, when did you last have a family party? The last family party you had. When was that? So tell me about it.
it's probably last week. It was uh my dad's birthday, and we was gathered together, and we had uh, just a dinner, and just dinner like ordinary day. and we had just have an extra birthday cake to celebrate him, and we wished him for so many things, such as health and happiness in his life.
Ah, very good. Okay, good answer. Okay, it's good answer, good idea, but let's see how we can improve it. Let's make it a little. Okay, your answer, it's probably first you're talking about past. So it was, if you want to use, don't forget to use past tense. That is really important. It was the second part was good. It was my dad's birthday. That was good and just celebration no, so let's correct it. If I want to make it a basic one, just basic, not for IELTS, I say okay, it was probably last week. Okay, it was my dad's birthday, so it's and we had dinner together like we usually do, and we also had a birthday cake and to celebrate. And we wished, for example, we wished him health and happiness. This is a basic. It's good for general, it's good, but for IELTS, it's not. Okay, why? It's not enough. Good, but not enough. Okay. It was probably last week when we celebrated my dad's birthday. So this is the first part. We had a simple dinner together, just like a normal day, as usual, just like a normal day. So you can add it here. Okay. And you can say, but we added a birthday cake to make it a bit more special. We added a birthday cake to make it a bit more special. Okay, special day, I mean. And we wished him good health and happiness. Good health and happiness. And we wished him. After wish, I need object pronoun. So that is, I wished him good health and happiness. So that is good one and appropriate for band seven. And now, no, it was probably last week when we celebrated my father's. Why I'm using father instead of that? Father is more formal. Of course, that is completely good and correct. But this is, and I can use, and let me type it. I can use but here, if I want to improve it, I say although it was a regular, a normal, okay, a regular family dinner, we added we added a birthday cake to mark the occasion, to make it more special, to mark the occasion, to make it more special. And we shared warm wishes, warm wishes. For example, hoping for good health, happiness, long life. So what do you actually want to add? It's your choice. And you can, if you want to add happiness, you can say continued happiness, forever happiness. This one is really good. Okay, so as you can see, I have some phrases. This is first, uh, this one, as you can see, I added another structure. What is this? I, okay, I added another structure. What is this? Although it was a regular family dinner, we added. So instead of using but, that is basic or maybe normal. It's not basic, but I could add although that is more advanced. It was a family, regular, normal family dinner. We added a cake, a birthday cake to mark the occasion. So what does this mark the occasion means to celebrate? Let me type it here, to celebrate special,
Event.
definitely day or event. Day is better to celebrate. Oh, we're running out of time. Really? No way. Why? Okay, it's okay. And we shared warm wishes, hoping for good health, long life, and continued happiness. This one is better. Okay? Yeah. The next question. But log out back in before we run out of time. Okay, so let's log it and then back in. Then we will keep going. The same link. Okay.
Okay.
Well,